today I have my October Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm like somewhat excited about this month. There are some good things. There's some things that I'm probably never going to use. But let's just get right into it. So, the theme this month is Spellbound. That's super cute. Very Halloween-y. And yeah, so first, this was my choice product. This was the product that I picked out and chose myself. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, and I'm excited about these. I didn't really know much about it. I just saw Glow Recipe, and I know people talk about this all the time, so I picked it. And this is what the little bottle looks like. It's super cute. And so it's essentially like a face primer, but skincare. Called a highlighting serum is what they call it. So it's a face serum that you use before you do your makeup. So I never use skincare in the morning. First of all, I rarely do it at night. Like, I'm bad about skincare. But I love Glow Recipe. Like, everything I've tried from them, I really like. So I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's long. But basically it says to use a few pumps of this before you do your makeup. Or you can do a few, like a little drop, like up here where, you know, where you would highlight after makeup, which I don't think I would necessarily try that. It's just not my jam. But I'm excited to try this. Kind of as like a first step, like, I don't know what I'm even talking about. Yeah, so I will use this before primer, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, moving on. That retails for $34. Next, we got a face primer. So this, I guess we can try them out together. This is the Laura Geller Spackle Spin. I cannot talk today. This is the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer, and it is the Hydrate formula. I'm excited about this. I love getting a new primer. I don't know why. It's just stuff that, it's something that like I don't think I would go out and buy necessarily. I don't know. I like getting them. Anyway, this is a nice hydrating primer, which I actually have been dying for because every time I go like through my stash in my collection, everything is either just super glowy or what's the word? Like pore filling. I don't have anything just like a nice hydrating, moisturizing primer. So I'm excited about this guy. I think it's gonna be nice. I tried it out on the back of my hand and I really like it. So that's gonna be fun. And that retails for $32. And then we have another makeup product. We have the Hanali, I think is how you say it, matte bronzer. And this is cute. I've never heard of this before, but it's from Hawaii. It's like a Hawaiian brand. And this is the little packaging. Cute, cute. And here's the little product. So I like that it's like the same color as the packaging. I think that's cute. And it's just a matte bronzer. I like, it's more a cool tone. It's not super warm. I think it's going to be a nice like winter shade. And I'm excited to get it. It's a nice little bronzer. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but every once in a while I like getting brands that I've never heard of. But I do like that I'm also getting like Glow Recipe or Laura Geller, which isn't like a super high-end brand, but I've heard of it. You know what I'm saying? And this retails for $25. It is a new brand to Boxy, which makes sense because I've never heard of it. And yeah, it's a Hawaiian brand, which I think is super cool. So I'm excited to try that guy out. Okay, and then the next two products are unfortunately two that I am disappointed with, but I have loved all three of the other ones. So let's just get into it. First is the Haas Laboratories liquid eyeshadow, basically. It's in the color Glam Attack. And I never wear liquid eyeshadows anymore. I know it was a really big thing before, but I'm just not into them anymore. So this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It's super cool. But then also, like, it's silver. Like, when am I going to wear a silver eyeshadow? That's what it looks like. I'm sure it'll be pretty, like, tapped out or something. I'll try it for my Project 5 uses, but let's be real. Am I ever going to wear this, like, after I make myself use it for the 5 uses? Probably not. And I don't think my little cousins would even use this to give it to them. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it'll be magical when I try it, but not really my thing. But that does retail for $20. And then my last product is a pack of makeup wipes. Like, come on. I mean, I love makeup wipes, don't get me wrong, but I don't want them in my box. This retails for $20. Like, I'd rather have a $20 bronzer or anything, literally anything else. Maybe a makeup brush. But makeup wipes, like, I could buy these from TJ Maxx for $4. Anyway, it is something that I will completely use and get my money's worth, right? But I don't want them in my box. And this, okay, so this is the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. They are pore refining with witch hazel and cleansing, is what it says. I mean, it's a makeup wipe. I'll go through them. There's 60 of them, I think, so I'll go through them in 60 days. But they retail for $20, and I would not buy them for $20. Who's gonna buy makeup wipes for $20? Like, go to Walmart and buy them for $1 or whatever. It says they're a new launch. It's just a makeup wipe. Like, give me something else. Like, oh well. I do really like the other 3 products in the box. The liquid eyeshadow just isn't for me. And I mean, I'll use up the makeup wipes. I'm sure they're probably good, but I don't want to get them in Boxycharm. Maybe in add-ons, if I could buy them for like $4, which is probably what they'll retail for on add-ons. But I don't want them in my box. I don't want them taking up a product in my box. Anyway, rant over. I do really like the other 3 products that I first mentioned, and I'm really excited to get started on using them. So that is going to be everything for my October Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got in your box, because I want to know. Did you get the makeup wipes? Did you get the makeup wipes? Let me know down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.